Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video today. We're with our boy Owen, and I guess we're getting a quick ride in. Neither of us have ridden in forever, so wheelies will probably suck, but we're just gonna get a quick ride in. It's not very warm out, to be honest, but Owen actually just recently test rode the 76 volt Razor build that I did. It's sick. Yeah, we don't have audio on Owen right now, but he does say it is sick. Dude, I don't want to get soaking wet. Dude, I think I would get wet, and we don't know what's under there and how fucking wet that shit is. I'll slow roll it. Dude, look how oily this is. Wow. Alright, let's see it. Let's see it, Owen. It's been a minute. Hey, not bad for the first one of the day for you. Speed up, I'm behind you. Please touch museum. Maybe we should go in there. Dude, I almost just fell because I slipped on some gravel. Apparently it's for kids. That's perfect for your, I was just gonna say your intellectual capability. I'm ready, Freddy. Woo! Try a stoppie maybe? Dude, stoppies are hella scary. I'm gonna need to get gas. I didn't know that you were wheeling. Ah! Daily donut complete. Attaboy, Owen. Owen's getting them good wheelies in now. Dude, look at this dog. Well, I'm in front of you. Mini bike to big bike, we got it. Me and Action 6 News. All right, we're having Owen try a spin turn. So literally, just put your 1 foot down, hook the bars, just dump the, not dump it, but just give it good amount of gas. No, you gotta dump it lower. Literally lean the bike like this low. Dude, my bike is heavy, and it's freaking half the horsepower of yours. Like that. They don't care. Oh, I'm not going through this shit, fuck. I got the mini bike instead of a Sur-Ron because it was half the price. And my bike is faster than a stock Sur-Ron. It's 76 volts. A stock Sur-Ron is 60 volts. So it's faster than a stock Sur-Ron, but it costs half the price. Wheelie time! No, it's super easy. I have an install video that you should watch. Balance point is a very tedious little spot. Achoo! Sorry, I just had to sneeze. Oh, we got a bike. You wanted me to go left? It's a beautiful day. Yeah, that's right. Kill switch. Came up. Oh yeah. Lean back, baby. All right, so Owen and I are ripping up to Kelly Drive. Dude, look at that, just straight thievery. I got you. I'll stick it in for you. We're ripping up to Lincoln Drive, and then I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, we get the twisties out today. We never ride the twisties. Oh yeah, it's a little cold. I don't know how warm my tires are. out on everything, you know? That guy's blowing smoke out his window. Do you see that? Ready? You gotta off-road this thing. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, look at how bumpy this is. Woo! Yo, is this a trail, bro? What is this? No way. Supermoto off-road? Holy shit! Where you at? Nice little drop off. Oh, and it goes right back out over here. All right, come on over. You almost took your leg off. Right, yeah, bro, come on down. Dude, you're fine. Don't hit me. Holy shit. Oh! Attaboy. Should we go that way? All right, let's go down here. Woo. Dude, I was just saying, like, we should do more off-road. Oh, you're gonna like this, Owen. Yeah, I think you're having a rough go now. Wait till you get over here. I'm gonna move. Whoa! I just dropped my bike. I'm gonna see if just get a quick look at what's over here still. Oh, dude, it'll take us back out, I think. Or I hope. Oh, we could just ride right through there. All on the Supermotos, too. These wheels are the shit, man. That's why I want to put Supermotos on the mini bike. Oh, shit. That's how tiring going off-road could be. Oh, because she just fucks shit up. All right, there we go. Oh, jeez, I need a breather. Oh, did I just hear you fucking going through it over there? How did you go off the trail like that? Pull it back. Oh, fuck. Yeah, no, I'm good. All right. Let's just push it straight back. One, go, yeah, almost. Oh, hold up, I'm falling. I'm falling. I'm so out of breath. How did you get into that anyways? Oh my god. Woo. All right, we made it. We stalled. You stalled too. We both stalled simultaneously. Oh my god, I almost just ran into a tree. She is not happy. It was a chick, I think. No, you gotta go around. Watch your the big cart there.
Is it divot?
There you go. Keep it up, keep the speed, keep the speed. There you go. Dude, just spinning everywhere. Alright, hopefully guys, there should be an exit up here. This was quite the experience. That woman did not seem too happy. I think we just gotta clutch pop this one. Turn it on. Well, there you go. There you go. Oh, well, there's no popping because there's no grip. Whew, all right. Well, still not out of the woods yet, literally, but oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, fuck, bro. Fuck. What happened? Whew. All right, Owen.
Oh my god.
My bike is out. We just got to get Owen out. This last section. All right, there you go. What's your review? What's your review on that?
Lots of fun. I don't know, hit the weight room before.
Oh guys, after that it feels good to be back on the pavement. Well guys, like I said, unsubscribe to Riding Radius because he forgot his camera. He's doing you guys a disservice, but fun ass time today. We really put these bikes to the test. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We will catch you next time. peace here. You gotta, peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list singer and she's just a